Hi everyone, we're going to be making Irish soda bread cookies. So I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees and I have two cookie sheets lined with parchment paper. In a large bowl, I'm going to put 2 cups of all-purpose flour and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. This is half a teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And I've added in 1 teaspoon of orange zest, and I'm going to combine this. I've added half a cup of salted butter and I've cut it into small cubes. I'm going to blend this in with a pastry blender or a fork until I have something that resembles coarse crumbs. So this is half a cup of yellow golden raisins. You could also use regular raisins, currants, or dried cranberries. And I've just mixed it around just a little bit. I made a little well in the center of the flour. I'm adding 1 beaten egg and a half a cup of buttermilk. So I'm going to stir this together. Keep adding flour to the center until I have a soft dough, and I might add a little bit more buttermilk if I feel it's needed. So I have it stirred in, and I did add an additional 1/4 cup of buttermilk for mine. Flour the surface generously and knead 10 times, flouring when needed. So I've rolled the dough out 1/4 inch thick, and I'm cutting circles. I'm using a biscuit cutter to do this. I'm going to place them on a cookie sheet. Bake for 12 to 13 minutes and lightly golden brown on the edges. Cool 5 minutes on a cookie sheet and then remove to a cooling rack to cool the rest of the way. I hope you guys like my video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and thank you guys for watching.